Biotech companies and life science professionals gathered at Tech Square in Cambridge for the BVS Summer Biotech Community Celebration. The event brought together researchers, vendors, and industry professionals to network and explore products and services supporting the biotech industry. ACMi News reporter Lydia Chen has the story.
Hi, I'm Lydia Chen with ACMi News. Today we're in Cambridge Technology Square where the biotech community is coming together for summer networking events. Originally planned as an outdoor community gathering, the event was moved indoors because of high temperatures. But inside the atrium, the goal remained the same, creating a space where scientists, entrepreneurs, suppliers, and biotech professionals could connect face to face.
Our company specializes in bench-scale protein chromatography. So these are folks who are trying to purify genetically engineered proteins that have therapeutic value. And really what they're doing is they're using our products to figure out how to purify them. And so our main business is custom packing glass columns for protein chromatography. So we're doing all kinds of clever stuff to help a very specific group of people who are figuring out how to purify proteins.
Today we're bringing here many different bioscience products, anything from laboratory reagents to cell culture media. We also have some cell differentiation services and stem cell lines for the company's research purposes. So major changes definitely in the post-COVID world is there's a lot of trying to add, what we'll call efficiency to, the production. So, the funding might not be there as much for, innovativeness as more as just streamlining a product, getting a product out there. So some of the ways we support that is, for example, having a known buffer media rather than using a home brew, or just getting those processes standardized so that way you can move from that drug discovery step onto those clinical trials where that choke point often is, where a startup often dies versus moves on to the next step.
As the life science industry continues to evolve, recent process is creating optimism about the future.
So over the last few years, we've seen a number of approvals for gene therapy, particularly with the DMD. And then as far as cell therapies.
Yeah, I think in the cell therapy space, we've gotten a lot of in vivo CAR therapy, CAR T therapy momentum, positive momentum. We've seen a lot of acquisitions from big players putting a lot of bets on that space, which is super, super exciting. And this is all for the patients. Which is always positive news to see scientific advancement there.
For many of the companies at the event, Cambridge offers more than a meeting place.
Boston is definitely the hub for advanced therapies. It is a major hub for these amazing, impressive research institutes as well as hospitals, and then of course your big and small and major pharma. So definitely attracts, an impressive talent pool, and I don't think that's going to ever change.
What's really unique about this area, I think, really over the rest of the world is just that the fact that there's so much, the universities in the area and just so much innovation taking place, yet, we're still connected to the industry along the East Coast. Proximity to, a lot of the major, commercial centers here in the United States as well. So this is really that unique environment where, the innovation can take place, but then the, bringing those products to the industry can take place as well.
Events like this highlight how companies across biotech industry are working to support the next stage of medical innovation, and how this region continues to play an important role in shaping the future of life sciences. For ACMi News, I'm Lydia Chen.
Gatherings like this one help connect ideas, resources, and partnerships across the biotech community. And in Boston and Cambridge, that network continues to create an environment where scientific innovation can grow and make a lasting impact.